Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Molweni guys, I hope nonke right. Today, interestingly, the Kingdom of Uzulu has had a press briefing. They have distanced themselves from the likes of Jacinta, Phakela Mthakathi and Ngizwe, saying that only the king may sanction amabutho okanye call for amabutho. So all that you see in the street has got nothing to do with the kingdom. So this comes after uPhakela Mthakathi called himself Inkosi, and now I think they saw kufuneka by address lento very urgently, so they called them also Matuba, which means they are opportunists. So the kingdom has distanced itself from them. So asazi balozala ngomoni, let's see if then the people are going to defy their king. Let's see if abantu bazothi inkosi yabo isilo sithengiwe na or sisebenzisana nomalema, as they would say to other people. So seems like the movement is losing support greatly. I will attach clip up ezolandela nizibonele lento endiyithethayo.
Isilo kuphela esinegunya lokuba nebutho. Akekho umuntu ongayibiza ngebutho engagunyaziwe isilo engekho ngaphansi kwenkosi. Alikho ibutho nje lithathe emoyeni. Umuntu avuka athi usewubutho, usevukwa usinga, usefuna ukuphakinga. Unomthebe wethu kuphela. Igama elokusilibambile ingonyama yalikhuluma esandlwane ukuthi lapha kwaZulu singabantu bokuthula, singabantu bokubekezelelana, singabantu ukuthi sibamukele abanye abantu. Asikaze sithi silo ayihlome. Ngakho-ke abantu besilo abasemahostela abangaluthwa abantu abangosomathuba abazofuna ukuhlomisa ipi yesilo umnikazi wento engashongo. Ngakho kuba khona kweso lesilo kuzogcizelela lokho ukuthi lapha embusweni wakwaZulu kune-order yakhona. Awuvele nje uvuke ekuseni bese uvukwa amadla ingozi bese uthi kukhona into ozoyenza ungajutshiwe, ungathunyiwe.
Ngiyayibona le eyenzeka lapha eThekwini njengamanje. Sekuwudoti. NgesiZulu sithi akashawa umuntu meselelwe phansi. Umuntu mayeselele phansi ayazika amaqhawe, ayazika amajongo ukuthi akashawa umuntu eselele phansi. Sifike sathi nabahambe abantu labasemalawi basilalela ngoba labantu abalapha eThekwini abahleli abalinda amabhasi yilaba abahloniphile, balalela ukuthi cha, abantu baseSouth Africa bathi cha, sicela abafowethu nike nihambe ningasezweni emazweni enu, nathi sisafuna ukulungisa izwe lethu. Into engiyibuza, nifunani, nibafunani abantu sebethe bayahamba? Ngizwe Mchunu yini abayifuna lapha? Nithi benze njani abanyamalale emoyeni? Angithi basalinda amabhasi, labantu ayafika amabhasi ayabalayisha bayahamba. Nifunani nina khona? Nithi benze njani? Kofanele phela silikhulume iqiniso ngenye ilanga, singabi zilwane nje, zisane zidlebeleke noma kanjani. Umuntu okuhloniphile akashawa. Umuntu mexolisa ethi ngiyaxolisa, walala phansi ngiyaxolisa, uyaye umxolele, umnikeze ithuba lokuthi ahambe. Yini manje nifuna kubona? Yini manje lese nifuna kubona? Abantu sebeshilo ukuthi bayahamba. Hayi, kahleni ngane zakwethu. Kahleni ngane zakwethu. Nabo bangabantu. Kufanele sibanikeze ithuba bahambe njengoba behloniphile kahle. Abanye babo bahlonipheka. Yabo nje laba nje nibafica behleli lapha kuThekwini beshile le emakhaya la hlala khona, beshile imisebenzi wabo. Yilabantu abahloniphile. Mhlawumbe abantu eningadila nabo yilabantu laba bangazange bahloniphe at all.
Sunkanyoko. Ngikhiphe nyoko.
Mina into engishoyo namanje ngiyasho ngithi mina ngomhla ka4 November le masha kathi uphakela umthakathi uzoyenza ngeke yenze eThekwini. Mtshaneni nina nabangani bakhe ukuthi akazoyenza eThekwini, akayenze eMaritzburg, akayenze eGoli ephazamisa ukuvota khona ezokubona okwakhweza ikati emthini. Uzokubona okwakhweza ikati emthini angeke azayenze leyo nto leyo. Uyingane uyingcwili nje uyinto enkatha, it's a warlord. Yes. IFP is full of murderers. If they think in the to kill innocent people, they will repeat that in 2026. They will never do that. Not in our lifetime. Not in our lifetime. There is nothing ezokwenzeka ozothi ufuna ukuyobhikisha ngomhla ka4 November efuna ukuvimba abantu ukuthi bangayovota. Will meet us on the ground. Uyomasha khona siyavota thina ngomhla ka4. Sifuna ukhipha iANC, sifuna ukhipha iDA emandleni. Ngeke sakwenza lokho. Masifuna ukuyomasha uphakela umthakathi, must go to kaNongoma, must go to Olundi, must go to eJozini, must go oPhongolo. Not lapho esidominator khona. Sizomshaya thina literally. Ngadlalisha thina. Inkatha since 1994 yayingafuni ukuyovota. Yayithini aqhubeka uhulumeni wakaZulu, izinja ingafuni isivota. Zifuna siqhubeke siphathwe amabhulu njengamanje futhi again basebenzisa uphakela umthakathi umsunu wentsha ukuthi ayophazamisa ukuvota kuthi iDA nenkatha izoqhubeka ivote iphathe. Udinga ukushaya abantu base South Africa ke manje uphakela umthakathi usenyathela amasimbi engane abafana asinukele. Unyathela amasimbi engane asinukele udakwe imedia udakwe ifemu. Ifemu is a drug if you don't know. Ifemu is a drug. Once ifemu got into your head, you will not function normal. What is happening manje? Uphakela umthakathi is psychologically disturbed. Uyahluleka ukuabsorb ifemu imdakiwe. That's why esethi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota. Mayizothi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota will not go to kaNongoma uphakela umthakathi, will not go to Olundi, but will go to eThekwini or will go to Pietermaritzburg or Newcastle. Why IFP is not dominating. That's why I'm calling upon all MK members ukuthi in case
the reason why the Zulu Kingdom distances itself from the likes of Justin Tangizo and Phakela, they know very well that if anything goes wrong, they might also get involved. Somehow, some of them might also get involved, even though they have no idea what this is for, like you know. So I really applaud for them to stand up and distance themselves before anything else goes wrong, because guys, we know with this kind of march these marches that are being done, and the fight is against foreigners, all foreigners. As long as you're a foreigner, you have to leave South Africa. Kuri, it's a mess. It's just a mess. I understand why now smart people are distancing themselves from these kind of people, because they know it might not end well. In fact, there is a very high chance that it does not end well for them. The government is waiting for them, and they know, guys, we all know. We have seen these people marching and looting, violence. It's a mess. It's a lot of chaos in J. And this other one is asking, what is Ungizo doing there? I mean, where he went to those foreigners gathering, obviously ready to leave South Africa. What is he doing? That's my question as well. What was he doing there? Guys, what is the meaning? Like, South Africans, we have to wake up and smell the coffee. Because why will they still follow the person which I told you, which when I don't want you here, I don't want you in my house, and they're out there waiting for their transport to leave? Why will they even follow them? It does not make any sense. And the other one is shouting to say, oh, Phakela Mthakathi should not come eThekwini because no. It's because these people are smart enough to realize and see what this person is causing a lot of chaos, destabilizing the economy. No, I stand with these people. I stand with them for distancing themselves from all this chaos. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.